Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install TikTok on TCL phone. Let's begin. First, you want to head into Play Store. Then head into Search, click Search bar and simply start typing in TikTok. As you can see, we do have our normal TikTok application. We can hit install. And now we are installing TikTok. You also might have noticed that a little light appeared, so we can try to search for it. But, oh, that's unfortunate. We do not have a TikTok light in our region. That's pretty funny, to be honest, but that's life, I guess. So yeah, normal TikTok is almost installed and you are now free to open it and waste your time as you usually would. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.